Okay, there we go. See what happens. Lower this axle. Yeah, it's not gonna come off. Nope. Yeah, we gotta take this off. There we go. All right, a little pry bar action. Okay, if this lowers, wrong way, the other lower, there she comes. Nice, look at that. I think I'm gonna take the other link off. Take that one off over here. So that means we're gonna do one of these situations. Situation, come on. I want to situate and have a good time. Yeah, that's weird. All right, got these open. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna slam right in right there. There we go. No broken bolt. Look at that. Hey, nice. Never sees on there, we'd be good. It'd be golden. Take the shot away a little bit. Should flip out. Goes into a little groove over there. So you got this little spot right here. It just fits in the groove. And that way we got a lot of play here. Make sure we got enough play here too though. On your vent. I pull the vent right off. Maybe. There it is. All right, so we pull the vent off. You gotta remember to put that back on. Let's see what happens when we lower this. See where we're hitting on the lift. There we go. Okay. This piece is just sitting in there. So it goes right here. This is pretty much out. All right. Go that way. And go this way. And of course, oh, there we go. All right. Yeah, look what we got here. Brand new springs. I'll leave a link in the description. And then small side up. Yeah, you got a small side, large side. You can kind of tell this is smaller than this. All right, take that out of there. I mean, here's a little. Doesn't really matter actually. Let's see here. Come on, come on, come on. Be nice to me. Come on. Okay. Oh, put that right back where it was. There's a little spot right here. Not that it really matters, but hey, why not? Okay. Let's fix your light. Little spot right there. I'm just going to line that up with that. I don't think it really matters that much, but we'll kind of take these things out of here, I guess. Yeah. Let's take a. I don't even really need these. All right, now we don't. Get out of the way. All right. pull this down. 1, 2, 3. There we go. All right. As a matter of fact, right here, I'll line the bottom of this right in that pocket. You can see that right here. I'll line it right in the pocket. All right, I believe I use a box wrench, won't fit. Hope it in. There we go, that's good. Oh yeah, she's tight. She's not going nowhere. We'll do this side. All right, we'll put this side on. Oh, she's tight. All right, put this bottom shock on. See. Nice. All right, I'll put the last shock on. See if we can get it this way. Hey! What are you doing? Yeah, I'm good. I think that's it. Looks like it, right? We got the shock on, both sides. Stabilizer links are on both sides. These brakes are on. Brake lines. Oh, I think that's about all we got, right? Springs are in place. Got that one tight, that link. Springs all in place. Brake line's back, that's back. Oh, look what we forgot. See, now that wouldn't have been no good. Hey, oh, come on, man. I knew there was another thing. I'm gonna know, I didn't put a clamp on her. I should probably put a clamp on her. Oh, it's on there pretty good. It's been around a lot of years. That's it. Okay. We'll get, we'll get the tires all cleaned up. Use a little cleaning and then we'll rotate them and put them on.